Kunwari yan sana, aesthetic. Nakalimutan magsalita. Good morning! So, breakfast muna tayo before we start our day. So, I'm cooking bacon. Tapos may air fryer. Gusto ni Mother William ang crispy daw. Ang gusto niya. Mantik ko. Okay, naluto na tayong konti. We're just waiting for the rest. Tapos si Aiden kanina. Nag-hi ka rin, tinatakpo mo yung mukha mo. Tapos si Aiden naman, pagpasok namin, nandun sila sa may labas. Naglalaro ng sand. Eh, ganun siya, nakaupo siya, ganun. Ganun.
Okay, because toy.
Mga discounts. Punta ako bukas sa Costco. Ganun siya ko.
Kunin, alam ko, DJ card ko. DJ, kota na lang yung palengke.
Okay.
Isupit coins ko.
Ako daw yung pinakamagastos sa bahay.
Yeah. Gastos. Mabunas.
Tingnan mo. Kaya sira-sira mga gamit sa bahay eh.
Inabraw,
Lexi.
ada susok ko,
Aba.
ada tuyot ko, ada palang ko.
Nox!
Wow. aga
Kompleto, Ricardos.
Ada kay marunggay ko oh. Okay, gabrawa.
Nalulungkot siya this year kasi yung mga halaman niya hindi pa rin malaki. Kasi, di ba lumipat na kami dito sa may Albert.
Edmonton.
Oo, dito sa may Edmonton. Medyo kasi this year late yung summer. So, bali, nag-start siya ng mga June, no? No, not June, mid-June. So, malamig pa rin siya ng mga, ng beginning ng June. Supposed to be, mainit na. Pero, this year, late dumating yung summer. Di ba kagulo? Kapag magkakasama sa bahay talagang magulo. Especially like 4 na bata na yung nandito. So, ayun.
We have like a Nintendo.
So, supposed to be, nag-vlog ako noon about dun sa pregnancy ko. Kaya nga eh. Ito yung mga pang rally. Ang iingay. Pag nag-vlog ako eh. Asan yung kalabasa mo, ma? Nandun daw. Ito daw yung kalabasa niya. So, supposed to be, pag nasa Toronto kasi kami, ganyan, ito, blooming na yan. Madami na yung leaves, maakyat-akyat na yan. Pero this time kasi this year, since lumipat kami sa may Edmonton, ganyan, yung weather kasi dito, like, medyo delayed ang So, ngayon, ganyan pa rin ang size niya. Konting na lang, kembot na lang, mag-August na, tapos pag sa September. So, ewan ko kung gaano yan lalaki. Tapos meron pa dito sa kabila. Ay, gagawin ko pala to. So, another planter's box to na gagawin ko today. Tapos meron pa dito. Ayan, dito ang banda, medyo malalaki na sila. So, tapos may din. Tanim ko lahat ng nanay ko. So, again, pag nasa Toronto kami dito, pag kagaya ng Toronto yung weather dito, madami na tong leaves, umakyat na, magbubunga na. Pero, kasi this year talaga, late ang summer. So, ganyan pa rin ang size nila.
Tita,
Ha?
I watered those.
You watered those?
Yeah,
You did? Are you sure? Or Lola did?
I did.
Okay, that's good. Good for you. Thank you so much. So, ayan. Makyat na sila. So, hopefully, makakaabot sila. Diba? Nang hindi naman sayang yung in-spend ng nanay ko. So, yung nanay ko kasi, anong tawag yan? Mahilig magtanim ng mga halaman. Din kasi yung bagong pitas, ganon. Tapos, masarap ang tignan and masarap din sa feeling na di mo kailangan bilhin yung mga pagkain, ganon. Pipitasin mo na lang. So, nakakamiss yung mga ganon eh. Yung sa Pilipinas din kasi noon, yung mga mangga, inaakyat-akyat pa namin, ganon, pinipitas-pitas. Tapos, dito, hindi, ang mahal pa ng mangga. Tapos, ayun, hindi napipitas, hindi siya fresh. Kumbaga ganun. What is it, Lexi? Ayun nga. So, si Riley kasi, meron siyang plant na galing sa school. So, tinanim din niya dito.
It never growed.
It takes time for it to grow because it's a tree. So, ito yung yung puno niya. Magiging pine tree. Ano ba? What kind of tree is this?
Pine cone tree.
Pine cone tree. Yan. And then, same thing din sa mga apples namin. Last year, ewan ko may video ako from last year, pero ang daming bunga nito last year. As in. Pero this year, again, late ang summer. So, siguro nako-confuse yung tree kung anong weather. Ito din, may mga bunga na siyang Ayan, may mga bunga-bunga na. Pero until now, di pa sila nag-ripe. So, delayed talaga this year. So, hopefully, matagal-tagal din ng summer. Alam mo na. Hot. And ito pala, nag-swimming sila ng isang araw. Tapos malamig yung tubig. Ay, nako. So, ayan yung pinaglagyanan ng Tagtutubo ulit yung mga, ano tawag yan? Yung grass. So, ayan. It's a beautiful day. It's hot. It's 30, like almost 30 degrees Celsius ngayon. And, yeah, ito na yung planter's box na ginawa ko. And meron pa ako isang gagawin na planter's box din. Ayan. So, magtatanim. And hopefully makakagawa pa tayo dun sa baba.
Weather, compost, dreader.
Ang init. So, napasana sa garage ako mag-work ngayon. Pero like, ang init kasi sobra sa garage. So, dito tayo sa may deck. Cut muna natin yung video. Yung ating hyperlapse dyan. Kasi, kulang pala yung wood natin. Sabi kasi niya, put them all together na. Kasi kinat niya yung mga kulang pala. I'm missing the one for the frame side, yung maliit na side niya. So, ayun, nantay ko pa siya to bring out yung wood cutter kasi mabigat. Nandun siya sa may shed. So, ayun, umiihi lang siya. So, bubuhatin namin palabas. Tapos kakat, ang galang init sa labas. Tapos, I need to change the sheets kasi si Yona, nakaihi siya. She had like, nag-leak yung diaper niya kagabi. And, sarap pa naman ang tulog namin mag-ina. Humihilik-hilik pa. Late pa kaming nagising. Tapos, ayun. Kaya pala hindi siya nainitan kasi lamig na lamig sa ihi. Nasan ko na lang siya ng kanina kasi super late na talaga kami. Pinunasan ko na lang siya ng diaper wipes. Tapos kahapon, hindi ko siya pinapasok kasi pumunta kami sa park. Mag-water park kami. So, sabi ko hindi pwede siyang mabsent today. Kasi, una sa lahat, may gagawin ako sa labas. Tatapusin ko yung planter's box. And then, I need to clean. Mag-change ako ng sheets. Buti na nasakto na nakaschedule na mag-change ako ng sheets. And then, laundry and stuff. And, ayan, medyo delayed lang yung itong wood, itong project natin sa planter's box. Kasi nga, kulang pala tayo sa kahoy. So, ngayon, magkakat tayo. Ay, nako. Hindi ko na nantay yung Si Dugong. Si Dugong. Si Atra. Ang tagal kasi tumae. Nasa dagat pa siya. Umeebak. So, tinawag ko na lang. Girl power tayo, no? Ayan. Girl power kami today. Kasi matagal tumae si Atra. Italatan manang ni. Italan. Ayan. Si ate ang magbubuhat. Char. Okay. Girl power. Such a beautiful guys. So peaceful. Atra's here. So he's gonna help me build the stuff that he made. Because he said he's removing me from the project because I couldn't continue it. And then I'm like, bro. Are you okay? He hit his head over there. Pointy object.
This is why you need to find the right screws. If they're all have the screw all the way to the top of the head, they will not sink in the wood. So you can have some wood sticking up like that, not touching it. It needs to be touched and sunk in. So you need this space here. So once it goes through halfway, then it'll start pulling this wood into the next wood. It pulls it in. If it's all screwed, if this teeth is all the way to the screw head, you can sink this in and it could be like that or like that, right? But because you have the space here, once it goes in, there's nothing more to screw into. The teeth won't grab to this wood no more, and it'll just pull it in from the head. So then you'll get one of these. You go down and then it'll pull it in and make it tight. And when you have the more tightness, right? It's more stiffer, and you won't get no like
Wobbly.
movements. When it's separated, you can get movements because only the screw is holding into the wood.
Alright, so here you go, guys. Obviously, he made it better than what I did.
And
yeah.
she doesn't want to make them better. They want them all to look the same like that one.
No, that's not true. Well, anyway, so because like I already made this this planters box like this, so I want the same design. So what I was saying was, the one at the front, the next planters box for the front, we can make the design that he wants. But then for this one, I want them all like this, like the one that has a wood like this. Da, 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 da. You know what I mean? So yeah, he got like a different kind of design in mind, but I want to just keep the same design in here.
I want
So-
to upgrade. She wants to stay in behind, back in the
No. Anyhow, so that's that. So he used all new wood, so no scratch woods, scrap wood. Me, I use some, you know, like, that's why it's different sizes. So this one's like smaller, because I recycled all the old woods that we have in the all of their stuff over there. Like you can see, so all of their scrap wood over there, I reuse them because, like, you know, like it's such a waste if you're gonna just like stuck them in there and not use. So that's what I did in here, and the only thing that I bought are these ones right here, the one for the front. And my dad went and nail a little bit of like, you know, the scrap wood in here, but it's okay. But this one's scrap, this one's scrap, that one's scrap wood.
Continue her scrap piece design, you know, but she didn't like it.
No, of course I love it. Hey, like this is my first ever wood project. My first ever Pandora's box I made, and I'm proud of it. So, and next time, who knows, I'm gonna be making like better ones like this.
That's cool.
It's a practice, guys. So, I'm proud of it. I made that by myself. I'm proud. Good job, my love.
What?
The sound effect will come out. Nicer than what I made. Obviously. Yan o, ganda. Nakaligo na ako. Kasi may lakad pa kami mamaya. We're going to Yumi's place. Ay! Come! Oh my goodness! Ay! Oh! Okay guys, so let's open our package from Amazon. And let's see what kind of creature lurking in his ears. So yeah, so this is an ear pick. Ooh. And it has... Yeah, so it has a camera inside. And yeah, so that's ear cleaner with camera. And the brand is Lemechn. I don't know how to say this. Lemechn. Lemechn. So yeah, let's open it. So here you go. I'm excited. Oh, so it comes with different tools to clean the ears. And this is the tool right here. So this is the product, and the camera is right here. You can see it inside. So Astra will try it. We're trying not to be noisy because Yona is already sleeping. Good po. Good morning. Ayan, so bumili kami neto. Siya pala. Kupal. So bumili na kami ng ganyan para mas mabilis siyang dalhin sa park. Diba? Kikihati daw ako sa bayad. So bumili kami. Hindi lang siya. Kasi naman yung kabiletang eh.
Kastalot ta.
Pisok mo? Uli ko. Katameta ko na tas ka. Takot ako magganyan eh.
Ay.
Tapos ayan ang weather ngayon. Hindi weather, yung situation ng ano ng air ng hangin kasi ano na naman madami na namang forest fire. Kasi sobrang init this past few days kaya ayan, very mausok na naman siya. Tapos nakakahilo. For me, like nahihilo ko pag lumalabas ganyan. Okay na?
Tama pa.
Ayan, so nagluluto ang kapatid ko ng mga taba-taba. Lechon karahay. And ako naman, ayan, nakabihis na ako. Papunta akong work today. So, maaga akong pinapasok. Instead of 3 o'clock, dapat 3 o'clock ako. So, pinapasok ko ng 1 o'clock. So, para, it's a good thing din. Para mas maaga ako makauwi ng bahay. Para makasabayan ko matulog si Yona. So, it's already, it's 11 something. It's almost 12 na. Tapos, tulog pa rin si Yona at si Atra. So, ayan. Hindi na naman niya ako masisilayang aalis pag ganyan. So, ayan. And pag ganitong mausok, hindi mo talaga makikita yung araw. Merong liwanag, oo. Pero like, hindi mo makikita yung araw mismo. Andun siya. Oh. Nakaveran siya ng, ng smoke. So, itong gas stove pala nakuha ng kapatid ko. It's, binili namin sa Lucky Supermarket. So, kung taga Edmonton kayo, very familiar kayo sa Lucky Supermarket. So, ayan. Ang brand is, ewan ko yan yung brand, Cookstone. And then, yung site is oneliving.com. Portable gas stove. So, ang bibilhin ko na lang is, kasi gusto ko talagang ng ganito, to take dun sa park. Para kapag gusto ko mag-Korean barbecue or whatsoever sa park, mas mabilis siyang dalhin. Naka-container lang siya na ganito. Oh. Tapos, dalhin mo na lang is yung butane, itong butane. Ito. Gas cartridge. And you should be good to go. Ay, naku, may bubuyog. Pero kasi tayong pa-lavender doon, oh. Mahilig kasi yung, ang bees sa lavender. Yan. Katakot. Palipad-lipad. And, buti na lang this year, wala tayong masyadong mosquitoes. So, kaya magandang magtambay sa labas this year. And supposedly, I'm going to take out Yona for a walk, pero hindi ko na siya matitake for a walk. Take out for a walk kasi una sa lahat mausok, tapos hanggang ngayon tulog pa siya. So, ayun, kakadel ko na lang siya for 5 to 10 minutes siguro. Kasi kailangan ko mag-brush anyways. Hindi pa ako nag-brush. Tapos mag-prep pa ako ng coffee ko papuntang work. She's finally awake. She's sitting there. But yeah, it's already 12:10. I'm gonna be leaving soon. My goodness, her hair is so gula-gula. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. Hi! Hi, video! That's you! Ay! Hindi kita yung sarili niya sa camera. Who's that? This is baby girl with the messy hair. Yeah. You! That's you! Oh, see? Oh. Ay! Oh, thank kiss! Thank kiss! Mwah! Thank kiss, baby! Thank kiss, baby! Mwah! Kiss mama? Yeah? Kiss mama. Kiss mama. I'm so Oh, you eat it. That's your last piece. Thank you so much for coming. Nah? Are you sure? That's your last piece? Okay. I'm coming home early today. You share your last piece with me? Eh? Tita will shower you tonight, okay? I'll shower you. You want more berries? Mama? You want more berries, nakang? Or you're good na? Nakakanis na siya. Mama? Uy? Gulo-gulo ng buhok? Wala pang ligo? Pinitagulin yung buhok. Tapos di pa nakaligo pa hapon. Kasi nga, wala ako. Absent si Mami. Tapos galing siyang daycare.